Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Shad Fatma from M.Sc Botany. I am going to discuss with you all economic uses of Medicago stiva. Medicago stiva, commonly called as alfalfa, is a perennial flowering plant in the legume family Fabaceae. It's originated from South Central Asia, was first cultivated in Iran, and it's native to warmer temperate climates. Plant resembles with clover, a plant from the same family, because of its trifoliate leaves and trifoliate and rounded leaves in early stages of growth, but after maturity its leaves becomes elongated. It has clusters of small purple flowers followed by fruits spiraled in 2 to 3 turns containing 10 to 20 seeds. Alfalfa is an erect growing plant with strong deep tap root system which makes it well adapted to sandy soils. Here are some pictures of alfalfa. Its clustered flowers, taproot, seeds, leaves. Economic value. Queen of forages. Alfalfa is considered the queen of forages all over the world because of its characteristics like high yield, wide adaptation, disease resistance, and excellent feeding quality. United States grows about 23 million acres of alfalfa each year and is third in value behind only corn and soybeans. Protecting the soil. Because of its deep-rooted characteristics of alfalfa and vigorous air-round canopy, it helps protect the soil from becoming airborne and causing dusty conditions or being washed into rivers or runoff. So it protects and improves the upper layer of soil. Nitrogen benefits. The biological nitrogen fixation by bacteria growing on alfalfa roots helps save energy as no fertilizers are needed. In addition, alfalfa leaves behind nitrogen and improves soil structure for the crop that follows, so farmers can apply less chemical fertilizers. As we know, alfalfa belongs to Fabaceae family और Fabaceae family के plants की roots के अंदर नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग बैक्टीरिया होते हैं जो कि नाइट्रोजन को नेचुरली फिक्सेशन करते हैं और सॉइल की स्ट्रक्चर इंप्रूव होती है. Providing significant wildlife habitat. Alfalfa is the beginning of a food chain and contributes valuable habitat for hundreds of species of herbivores and animals of the prey. It hosts several endangered species plus many familiar ones. Alfalfa is an insectivore. Alfalfa is a source of incredible insect diversity which includes many valuable beneficial insects. These in turn help control many other types of insect and mite pests in alfalfa and other crops. So these insects become valuable or beneficial for the crop. Mitigating contamination problems. Alfalfa has been used to mitigate several environmental problems that are consequences of our industrial society. For example, it absorbs nitrates from groundwater, recycle dairy or municipal waste, remove carcinogens from the air, CO2 sequestration, and mitigating industrial compounds that could contaminate groundwater. It's again because of its characteristics of deep rootedness and ability to absorb water, nitrates, and other compounds. Weed suppression. Alfalfa plays a very important role in crop rotations by suppressing weeds that are common in annual crops. The dense vigorous alfalfa canopy shades these weeds and frequent cuttings prevents weed seed production. This could reduce pesticide use in subsequent crop. Folk medicine. Alfalfa seeds contains alkaloids, stechidine and 1-homostechoidine and are considered emmenagogue and lactogenic. Emmenagogue is any substance or medicine which stimulates or increases menstrual flow. Lactogenic means it induces lactation. They are used as a cooling poultice for boils in India. Poultice is any bandage made from herbal medicines. To increase weight, a cup full of 1:alfalfa water infusion has been recommended. Though containing saponins, alfalfa is sold in many health food stores. Saponins are basically toxic compounds which are used in detergents and foam fire extinguishers. It considered apparent. Apparent mean any substance which relieves from constipation. Diuretic means it increases urination. Ecbolic is any medicine or substance which induces constriction of uterus during fetal birth. Estrogenic. Alfalfa is considered estrogenic because it contains several plant compounds which acts just like estrogen hormone. Stimulant, tonic, and said to aid peptic ulcers as well as urinary and bowel problems. Nutritional value. Alfalfa seed sprouts are 93% water, 2% carbohydrates, 4% proteins, and contain negligible fat. In a 100-gram reference amount, raw alfalfa supports supply 23 calories and 29% of the daily value of vitamin K. They are a moderate source of vitamin C, some B vitamins, phosphorus, and zinc. What about the future? Alfalfa should be considered a key component of sustainable agriculture system for the future because of its high yield, quality, pest resistance, and its value for soil conservation, nitrogen fixation, energy savings, crop rotation, aesthetics, and wildlife habitat. Alfalfa, although it faces tremendous challenges due to urbanization and resource limitations, as people are day by day moving from rural to urban areas and sources are being limited. However, alfalfa, the queen of forages, is likely to occupy a prominent place in the future of agricultural system. So that was all about Medicago stiva, the queen of forages. Thank you.